Namo Namah. Welcome to NJCF. Friends, we are learning multiplication. In the previous video, we completed tables of 6 to 10. So now you are able to use table of 2 to 10 to solve multiplication problems, or we can say multiplication sums. But before we start to solve the sums of multiplication, characteristics of multiplication. As we know, if we multiply 3 into 5, and we know table of 3 5s are 15, or if we multiply 5 by 3, we also know table of 5 3s are 15. So this is the first characteristic of multiplication, that multiplication of two numbers gives the same result even if we exchange the multiplicand and multiplier. See, here we have multiplicand 3 and multiplier 5, and here we have exchanged their places. Here we have multiplicand 5 and multiplier is 3, but the result is same. 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. So this is the first result. Now let's talk about second. That is, if we multiply any number by 1, we get the same number as the result. So 7 1s are 7, or we can say 9 1s are 9, or we can write 3 1s are 3, or if you take a 2-digit number, if I multiply 15 by 1, we will get 15 only. So this is the second characteristic. Multiplying any number by 1 or 1 by any number, the product remains the same as the number. So if I write 15 by 1 or 1 by 15, we get the same number, 15. Now let's talk about characteristic number 3, that is 4 into 0. What will be the answer? Yes, that is 0. If we multiply any number by 0, we get 0. Here 7 one time means 7. Here 3 5 times means we will add 3 5 times, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, right? But here we have 4 multiplied by 0. It means 4 0 time, means there is no any number as result. That is answer 0. If we multiply 6 by 0, we get 0. If you take any number, you can take 300, 700, or you can take 1000, and you multiply that number by 0, you will get answer 0. Next, number 4. If we multiply any number by 10 or 10 by any number, you will get the product as that number and 0 right side. See here the number 2, and I will write 0 right side this 2. So 1 10s are 10 or 10 2s are 20. You can see that number and the 0 of 10 will be put behind that number. So multiplying a number by 10 or 10 by any number, the product is obtained by putting 1 0 to the right of that number. If I write 10 into 9, and we know 10 9s are 90. So here you can see 9 and 0 behind 9. Now from this result, we can think about one more result, or we can say one more characteristic of multiplication. Now can you say, if I multiply 5 by 100, what will we get? Yes, now the answer will be that number 5 and 2 0 right side this 5. So answer will be 500. Or we can write 100 multiply by 8. So here we have to write this number 8 and we will put these 2 zeros behind 8 or right side of the 8. So 100 into 8 we get 800. 5 into 100 we get 500. So from this result we can create this one more result. If you multiply 10 we will put 1 0, and if you multiply by 100 we will put 2 zeros, as there are 2 zeros in 100. So friends, these are some characteristics of multiplication that will be helpful to you in solving problem sums of multiplication. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you.